Hey there, pepper growers! Welcome to pepper update number 4 for the 2018 pepper growing series. I'm just going to give you guys a little close-up view of my peppers. So these ones out front here are the habaneros, the orange habaneros. As you can see, they're looking really nice, really healthy. Dark green leaves, and they're really doing well, and they're gonna do well. This one here is a habanero as well. For some reason, it has this kind of like dried out spot on the leaf. Not exactly sure what that's from, but I have high hopes that this plant will do well. And this is another habanero. And I still have a lot more peppers I need to transplant. As you can see, I just got tons and tons of pepper plants in here. So this guy right here is a sweet banana pepper plant. I think it's doing really well. It looks really nice and stocky, and it's got really dark green leaves, and it's doing very well. So that is the sweet banana pepper. Now I do have a few more sweet banana peppers. Here is another sweet banana pepper right here, and I have some more habaneros, some more orange habs. Very healthy, as you can see. My best habanero is actually this one right now. It's just looks really bushy, really full, and it's doing really well. And then this here is my tray of an assortment of peppers. It's ghost peppers, red marconis, red cayennes, red bell peppers, as well as I actually planted some red habaneros. I planted about six red habaneros just along this row here, the edge row. So as you can see, they're looking really healthy. Everything's doing well except for this one right here. Actually is not looking too good, but 99% of my pepper plants are doing amazing. These are the ghost peppers right here, and an interesting thing to note about the ghost peppers is they're actually really bushed out from a young stage of development. As you can see, they've got a really low profile. So I have a feeling I'm really gonna like the looks of the ghost pepper plants. These ones right here are the red cayennes, the long red cayennes. Now these ones are supposed to be mildly hot. I've never actually grown this kind before, but I have heard good things about them, so we're gonna see how that goes. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, please comment on the video. I really want to hear what you have to say. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, if you're new to my channel, I always appreciate new subscribers. My goal right now is to get to 1,000 subscribers, and yeah, so if you enjoy my videos, I would always appreciate the sub. Have a great day, and grow it best.